Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is part 2 of my bag edit or declutter, and I'm going to show you guys how I store my bags. So as I mentioned in my last video, I don't really have a walk-in closet, and that's actually my dream to have one, and I'm working on it. I'm trying to find a space here in this house for that. As of now, I'm just gonna make do with what I have, and I store my bags in 2 different places actually. One in Tristan's room. Tristan is my son, of course, and since he doesn't have that many things, I use the bottom part of one of his closets, and I use it for storing my bags. And then I also use my other closet in my room, and the top part has enough space to store bags. A lot of people ask me how I store my bags, and that's why I came up with this idea. And this is a video for you guys. And yeah, let me show you how I store my bags. Okay, just a recap of my bag edit. These are the bags that I'm keeping. These are my beach bags and my mid-range bags and more beach bags. These are my big bags, and those are the bags that are going. I made quite a mess. This has been my setup. I can't wait to get this organized. It is such a messy situation right now. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you one of my closets here in my bedroom, and this is where I store all my dresses. Top part, if you can see here, is where I usually put my luxury designer bags. So I want to keep them near me. I want to keep them in my room. On top here, those are my hats. I still haven't decided where to put them, so I just put them there. But I'm sort of trying to find the best possible place for everything. Okay, so I gathered all my black bags. I have 5 black bags in total, and I'm gonna put them in one of the compartments over there. Okay, next I have all my brown bags. So these are 7 bags that I need to put in there. For my bags that have straps, I usually put the straps inside just so it's less messy, and make sure to stuff my bags with air paper. So I usually get them from when I have deliveries. I just use the packing materials that are in the boxes, and I just use them for my bags. So for bags like this, which has a long strap that you cannot remove, I usually just fold it this. Like I fold it like this so it's still very neat, and when I use the strap, it's not all curled up. There, so it just looks neater this way. And last but not least, this bag. Okay, so I have 13 luxury designer bags in total. I think that's a good amount to have, and that gives me room to purchase more. I forgot to include this, but this is my 14th luxury designer bags, so I have 14 in total. Okay, so just to show you how my bags are arranged in my closet, there are 2 layers. This is the back layer, and I have another layer in front, and same goes for this part. So I have relatively less bags now, so I can make room for more, I guess. Okay, so to be honest, I'm so happy that I only have 14 luxury designer bags, because that means that I really get to use each and every one of them. I get to make the most out of each purchase, and that is really bang for my buck. And I'm so happy that I have this edited version of my luxury designer bags. Of course, I still have all my other categories, my beach bags, my big bags, my small bags, and I'm going to fix them next. Okay, so for the rest of my bags, they will be going in here. So we are in my son Tristan's room, and these are all my coats. I usually use these when we travel and go to a cold country. I'm actually thinking of storing them, since I know we won't be able to travel for quite some time, and I'll probably use this space for something else. I'm going to store my beach bags and my other bags down here. So I have 4 compartments here, and they held most of the bags before, but they were super cramped, and I'm hoping that with this edit I could store more bags, or the bags can breathe and actually be stored properly so I can see all of them and use all of them. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I have some of my basket bags here and I'm going to be storing them in one of these. Let's start with a structured bag. So this is definitely a structured bag and I don't want it to get deformed, so it needs its own space. This one too. Of course, this one. I think I want to keep the straps. Just like I did with the other bags that I showed you, it's really best to keep the straps so that they won't get tangled with the other bags. Goes in there. These bags are bigger bags. I think I'll put them here. I'm not sure. Or maybe here. This can go with them. So I have more bags over here. Okay, so this one, I'll try to put the strap inside. So as per usual, keep the straps. And this one as well. One. So these are all together because you have the same color and it's easier to find, I guess, if I'm looking for that particular color. All the colorful bags will be together. This bag. This bag. And then this one, keep the strap. I guess it fits here. This is done. It looks very neat and all the bags are the same category and I like the way it looks. It's easy to look in. Even though there's 2 layers, it's easy to see what is behind as well. Okay, so I have more. This is a structured bag. And this is colorful, so I guess it goes down here. And then I have all these crochet bags. These are all soft bags. I'll just keep them all together. I guess I can fold them. It's sort of like folding shirts, I guess, like you know what's underneath based on the pattern. Okay, so I have stacked all of my Colombian weave bags. They go over here. And these are all my crochet bags. Look at more bags. Okay, next we have some leather bags. I guess I am going to fold them because they don't really have any structure. One on top of the other, though there's still something inside. I still keep the dust bags inside so it doesn't really get so flat. So these are my leather bags. Okay, next I have all my big weave bags. I put them all inside, so to save space, I put them one inside the other, and this is also to help maintain its shape. So this is the biggest one, so it holds everything. It holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. And for this bottom part, I'm going to put these bags, which I have folded already. These ones. So I'm just gonna, I think I'm gonna make them go up like this, so I can see which is which. So I'm going to make sure that each and every one can be seen, so I know which bag is which. The one that I showed you earlier were all my luxury designer bags, and these are all my beach bags, my leather bags, and my big bags. Actually, I still need space for my small bags. I almost forgot. I have all these bags from my grandmother. These are very precious to me, so I'm going to keep them over here. And there you go. I have reorganized my bag collection, so everything looks so neat and I can see everything. I love that everything has a place. It's not crowded and I can see everything. So let me show you up close how they look. Okay, so here are all my beach bags in one color. These are all my bags from Colombia, and of course my circular bags are there, and I put the leather bags on top. And then I have all my big bags here, and you can see all of them very clearly. And over here we have bigger basket bags. And last but not the least, we have all the colorful bags over here, and you can really see them very clearly. And here we have all the formal bags that I own. And there you go, everything looks so good, and I'm so happy with the progress that I made. And I'm gonna show you one last thing. Okay guys, so this is the last part that I wanted to show you, how I organize the bags that I am currently using. I usually hang them here. So I have 2 rows of coat hangers or towel hangers, towel rack. This part is reserved for bags that I am currently using for my OOTDs or for my styling videos. They go here. So let me show you. So these are the bags that were recently gifted to me, just so I remember to use them all the time. And I'm just going to continue to fill up these 2 racks. There, and this little one. And there you go, that is how I store all my bags. I hope you like this one. Please let me know in the comment section down below what else you would like to see. I am in the process of decluttering my entire house, so expect more videos like this. I hope you like this one, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!